hesitation with the car, and the car wasn't going as fast as it usually does. So I was like, okay, everything is good. Checked everything, all the mounts look good, everything is good. Did all the routine maintenance, the oil is good, everything is good. And then I turn and look, the notorious boot all over again. Messed up. Look. The boot ripped all here. So this was sucking in hot air all here on the side of the motor. All of this was sucking in hot air. So I got a new one right here. I'm gonna throw this one in. And I'm gonna change out my cabin filter also today because I haven't done it in like 3 years. So I'm pretty sure the other one's dirty. But just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So I'm gonna take this spring off and then this clamp here and then loosen this with a 10mm. Pull this off and then put in a new one. Alright, catch back the video after installing a new one. I just slid the intake boot off, this boot off, and then I took the clamp off of this one and I put it on the new one. It's kind of dusty or whatever, but just gotta clean it. So what I did was I sprayed some WD-40 on the boot here on the nipple, so this would slide in easier than what it usually does, because it won't slide in easy. It's kind of a pain in the butt to slide in with the boot. So check these boots, people. These shits be going bad constantly, 24/7, so check them. Look at this. This was my old one. The shit was sucking in so much hot air because of that. So if you're looking for a boot, I got them in my Amazon store. Check my Amazon store. There's a link in the description for my Amazon store. In all my videos, all the things, materials, and lights and all that other stuff is in the description of every video that you guys see. It's in the description. Just go in the description and go to my Amazon store. I have all the parts in my Amazon store, and I have links in the description for everything. So if you have any questions, just ask. So right now what I'm gonna do is just, since I put WD-40 on here, it'll be easy to slip this nipple over it because it gets stuck right here over that groove inside. So now I put the boot back in. The throttle body's clean. I don't have to worry about that because I cleaned that. The air filter's clean because it's a new filter. So right now what I'm going to do is just put this back on, and then I'm just going to catch back the video for you guys. All right. Boot back on. I use the flathead to push towards this side, to push this in. Put a little WD-40 here on the inside. So just slid that over. Tighten out the clamp. Then I just slid this one up here. The boot going up here, slid it up here to line it up with that notch. Line it up with the notch on top of the throttle body. And then there'll be a nipple here where you just stick that knob, that little notch, inside of the rubber boot here. So that's what I did. I just used the flathead and just pushed it up against here. And then this one I just rock left to right to get it to go all the way up. And then tightened it down with a 10mm, and that's it. I installed this, the intake boot. This is the intake boot. This is crap. It breaks all the time because from the heat. So double check them. If you're losing horsepower and you feel like the car's struggling to pick up and things like that, and all of a sudden it was fine, now all of a sudden it's not, check the intake boots. They rip. Like 3 minutes. I mean like 2 minutes. Super easy. Cabin filter sits in here. This is the old one. And this one used to look like this one, but white. Like this one, as you can see, got dog hairs in it. And look at all that. Shit's filthy. This is 2 years in New York City. And look at this. This is what I was inhaling. Replace these filters, man. At least every year or 2 years. It's a cheap thing. It's $18. It's super simple to change. I also have these in my Amazon store. Also, if you're looking for the filters I have in my Amazon store, just check out the link in the description to find it. All right. Don't forget to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.